Okay, proceed tayo with example number 9 na. Ang equation natin sa number 9 is 2x over 7 plus 3 over 4 equals 5x. So, ang solution mo rito for number 9, first, diba you will notice, itong dalawang to, they are fractions, pero they are dissimilar fractions, hindi sila magkapareho. Diba? You notice, magkaiba sila ng denominator. Ang first step na gagawin mo rito is, you will look for the least common denominator. Ibig sabihin, ano yung number that can both be divided by 7 and 4? Actually, yung gagawin mong least common denominator nung fractions na to. So, what is that number? That number is 28. So, 28 divided by 7 equals 4. Okay. Times 2. No. 28 divided by 7 equals 4. Okay, times 2 equals 8. No? 8. Yan, no? So, ito naman, dito ka punta ka rito, plus 28 divided by 4 equals 7 times 3 equals 21. Again, dito natin, no? Ayan, no? So, equals 5x over 3. Okay, total mo muna to. 8 plus 21, that will give you 29 over 28 is equal to 5x, okay, over 3. Tapos, ang next mong gagawin is to cross multiply. To cross multiply mo yan, no? So, 28 times 5, that will be 28 times 5, 0, 4, okay, 10, 140. No? So, this will be 104. So, next mo will be 140x is equal to 29 times 3 naman. 29 times 3. Okay, 29 times 9 times 3, 7, 2, 3 times 2, 6 plus 2, 87. Equals 87. Okay. So, divide both sides by 140. Okay. This will become x. Ito magiging 87 over 140. Ayan yung answer mo. No? Hawa mo. Ayan yung total. Ayan. Yan yung totality ng steps.